Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing this project pan back yet again. It seems to be a fan favorite for some reason, and as long as you guys want to keep doing this project, I'm more than happy to keep it around. This is the Graveyard Project Pan, which I created many years ago now, out of a need to circle back around to those more challenging products that were in previous project pans that I didn't finish. I was really bad at doing themed projects or even my yearly projects, working on a product and then getting kind of burnt out by it. And when the project ended, I put it back in a drawer and just selected all new things to work on, which is completely valid and fine, and I still do that. But I needed a project to pull those things back out and try again. So in the Graveyard Project Pan, it's a 6-month-long project running from April 30th to Halloween or October 31st. We update every 2 months because the products that are intended for this project, at least originally, were the more challenging products, the products that maybe don't show a lot of progress from month to month. There are 2 product categories. The first is the resurrection category, meaning you are resurrecting, bringing back out of the graveyard the products that were in projects before. This has morphed and changed a little bit, especially as usage style projects have increased in popularity. So it could be a product that was in project 10 uses, you never intended to hit pan or finish it, and now that can be your goal now. Or you can have usage goals, just continue to work on those products. And the second product category is collecting cobwebs. So these are products that are neglected in your collection. Maybe they're nearing expiration, about to go bad. Things you're not really reaching for very often and need a project pan to put them in to encourage that usage. You can set whatever goals you like. I am not a big gatekeeper on my project panning. Whatever works best for you. Same with the number of products to put into this project. That is also entirely up to you. A popular number is 6, but I would say keep it under 10 just for your own sanity, but 6 seems to be popular because it's like a spooky number or whatever. 6 is what I continue to do, and I tend to keep it even. 3 products out of the resurrection category and 3 products from collecting cobwebs, but again, that doesn't matter. You can have all in one category, 1 in another category, and 5 in one. I don't care. As long as you're having fun, I don't care how you do this project pan. So as mentioned, I'm going to share 6 products with you with a variety of goals. We have 6 months to work on these. I have 3 products in the resurrection category, meaning they were in a project before, and 3 products in my collecting cobwebs category, meaning they are very neglected and I want to get some good use on them before they go bad. I think that's all you need to know. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below. Everyone is welcome to join. You can use the hashtag over on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. I will create a playlist and have that in my description box, but I will manually add the videos. I feel like that was a long enough intro, especially as this project pan has stayed mostly the same for the last like 6 years. Let's hop into the products that I chose. You already know what the first product has to be. That is my ModelCo Peach Bellini blush. This has been in every single round of the Graveyard Project Pan. It has a ton of use on it. It has a pan. I can see all of the rings through it, and I just want to continue to use this, so maybe someday in like 10 years it can be an empty. I don't know. I just keep chugging away at it as long as it hasn't expired. I would like to use this 20 times this summer. I feel like that's doable. I am working on other blushes in other project pans, but this is a beautiful, vibrant, glowy summer blush. I love using it through the summer. I've used it again every summer for like the last 6 years. Last round I had a really ambiguous goal. This was like, just reach for it through the summer. And I think setting a firm 20 use goal will be better for me, will encourage me to pick it up more often. I'm excited to see if the pan will grow at all. I will insert a picture of what it's looking like today and hopefully we'll see some progress. I really should not be putting eyeshadows in any project pans right now, but this is in my top 10 oldest cream and liquid products list, which again, I have not filmed that video yet, but it's on my to-do list. This is one of my oldest products. Like I said, it's a Colourpop Super Shock in the shade Koosh or Koosh, however you pronounce that. It already has a pan. I love this shade so much. It is still creamy and good. I would like to use this 10 times. And then I will probably roll in another Super Shock shadow that's included in my 10 oldest list. There's a couple on there and I can't keep them all by the end of the year, so I would at least like to get a little bit of use on all of them this year and decide if there's maybe one I would like to save to try and finish at some point. That might be this one because I think it's my favorite of the ones in that list, but for now, 10 uses. And lastly, for my resurrection category, I'm bringing back my Lord & Berry Nude Lip Liner. This was in the whole collection project pan last year, and it is very small. I've continued to use this every time I do my, well, not every time. Most times I do my makeup, if I'm wearing a nude lip, I have been using this lip liner. My goal will be to finish this, and I don't think it will be hard, but I think it will still take some time. So I think it deserves to be in a project pan and resurrected from my project graveyard. Next, my collecting cobwebs category. These are products I feel are neglected. I'm hoping I made some smart decisions. First, I have my Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. This is in my 24 makeup products to pan in 2024, so I feel like this is a great option. My goal will be to hit pan on this. I think this highlight is going to be absolutely stunning through the summer, which I used to not be super aware of the fact that though this is 6 months, the bulk of it is those very warm months, and I feel like I'm choosing better products for that this year. At least I hope so. I don't currently have a highlighter in a project pan that I can think of. I don't think I do. So this will be my focus. And again, I think it will look stunning with a tan. And I have heard, though I am very light-handed, so who knows for me, that if you focus in the center of these pans, that it's not too hard to hit pan. This is very old. It is their old packaging, and I want to get some use on this because I have the All of the Lights highlighter in a newer formula or newer packaging, and that has a strip of Rodeo Drive in it, I believe. Next, I have 2 lip products to round out my collecting cobwebs. A lot of my lip products are collecting cobwebs, but this is another one of the 10 oldest and is also in my plan to pan for the year. This is the BareMinerals Marvelous Moxie Gloss in the shade Trail Blazer. This does not have a ton of use on it from me. It hasn't been upright, but I do see windowing right here, and for being so old and it's a lip gloss, I should try and finish this year, and that will be my goal. It is a warm nude shimmery gloss, and I want to try and finish this, and it should pair really lovely with the nude lip liner. And lastly, I haven't been working on bullet lipsticks at all so far this year. They just haven't fit into projects thus far, haven't been rolled into Hope Collection or worked for a prompt. I mean, I'm sure they would have worked for a prompt in Deck of Panning, but anyways, I'm not working on a bullet lipstick, and I haven't been so far this year. So I grabbed one of my neglected Colourpop lippie sticks. This is a matte formula in the shade Brink, which is kind of a pinky shade, and that is what I wanted to roll in first, was kind of a pink. I thought it would look good as we are still in spring, and I would like to use this 10 times, and I'm hoping that I can get the 10 uses done by the first update because that is a beautiful pinky lipstick for May and June, and then I have an idea of what I can roll in for the summer months and do maybe the same thing, like another lipstick to use 10 times in 2 months and kind of rotate through a couple of neglected lip colors like that. I love the Colourpop Lippie Stix formula so much. As long as they don't go bad on me. I had a few expire that were not even old. Like I have a ton of really old lippie sticks that are still good. That's a tangent. I'm really looking forward to using this one 10 times. So I have 3 usage goals, 2 from my resurrection category and 1 from my collecting cobwebs category. And then I have 3 harder goals. I want to finish this lip liner in the resurrection category, finish the gloss in collecting cobwebs, and hit pan on the highlighter in collecting cobwebs. So I tried to have a good variety of products, things that I can work into my everyday makeup routine, and a variety of goals, so hopefully I can have some rollouts each update. I really hope that you guys will join in on the Graveyard Project Pan. If you are, definitely let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!